All right, flying around for 2540 Dartmouth Woods here in North Wilmington, and as always, taking that drone footage. So you'll see the yard, it is fully fenced in and it is massive. So I'm gonna do some quick flying around, show you the soccer fields that are close by and the neighborhood pool. So while I'm doing that, I want to give a shout out to Jason Gizzi. So it's his listing, great person, great agent, and in general, just taking some of those shots. So in North Wilmington here, you are very, very close to PA. There's a shot of the pool, and really driving around and flying around, you can just see how the homes are spaced out. So that is essentially it, just a quick little intro. We'll get you into the house for the boots on the ground tour momentarily, and we'll do the outside and we'll do the inside. So here we go. All right, 2540 Dartmouth Woods, listed by a fellow KW agent, Jason Gizzi here. So let's explore the outside before we venture in. So garage is right there, and you have plenty of parking over here on the side, and looks like a shed as well. So let's take you right back there. Fenced in yard. See if we can just hop right in, and we can. All right, so big patio area here, and then the deck area as well. So this is nice. Look at that fence. Beautiful. Looks like a fire pit there. That looks relatively newer. And a really, really big yard. Wow. Even the whole side is fenced in. So this is massive. Take that in. I'll back you out, back you up. Look at the woodwork they did here too on the deck. So they ran everything at a 45. So very, very nice. All right, let's bring you down. We'll go in front. So you can walk right out the back here. That's ground level. And that is it for the yard. So we'll spin you around. There's your electric meter right there. Yeah, plenty of storage. And again, plenty of parking, because you can pull in quite a few right here. There's that front. So let's head on in. Nice walkway here. And I'll show you what we're dealing with here. I missed that step the first time. In we go. Hello, hello. All right. So nice and cool, right into the lower level here, the way it's situated. Let's stay on this level. And there's that door right there that'll take you out the back and bring you into the backyard. So laundry here, and a full bath here. So nice, easy access. We'll walk right in, frosted windows, and a full shower. That is really nice for humans and for pets. Here it sounds like we got the HVAC right here, matches what's outside, and A.O. Smith, and that is gas fired. Leave it as we had it. Hand sanitizer as we go through here. All tile. All right, still getting my bearings. Storage there. Wow, this downstairs offers quite a lot. And a bedroom. If you need it, you have the window. And look at this. Right to the garage. So, kind of subdivided this section. And that's more than enough space to park a car with a window and attic access. Beautiful. This could even be a makeshift office if somebody wanted it to be. Let's see. Somewhat newer panel. I believe it's 200 amps. I'll double check. And that, I was incorrect. 150 amps. So 150 amp panel, plenty of storage here. And you know what? Let me spin you around so you get the whole sense of this downstairs spot. And a closet there. So this could even be an office. I'll back you out here so you can see it one more time. There you are. And then this is the whole downstairs area, which can be closed off with a door to keep that semi-private, almost like a mini in-law suite. Very cool. Fireplace is there. TV makes sense there. Looks to be gas logs. I'll verify newer windows there. Oh, look at this. And closet.
And this is under the stairs going up there. Oh, more space. Look at this. Oh, this is great. Pool table room. So I'm 5'10", haven't grown in a while. Plenty of clearance. What do we got here? Just some storage space and the water meter. All right. Look at this spot. Oh, this is great. And what do we have behind this door? Gas meter. All right. Look at this. And it continues over here, a nice little nook. And let's see what we have here. Looking for a pet behind one of these doors. We have a pool chain. This is all storage. So that's all it is. Pretty big, but just storage. And there you go. Wow. So some of these don't have basements. This is a nice surprise. All right, turn those lights off. All right, I already saw a lot of space here, and we didn't even venture upstairs. So remember, front door right to the left there. Got some darker hardwoods here. Looks like, I'll check the disclosure. Wow. This is big. So crown molding in here. Look at that shot. Again, newer windows. All right, this will take you out to the deck. It's a big table there. You can see that deck area in that backyard. And the kitchen. So that kitchen is long. And if somebody ever wanted to redesign this, they have a really long peninsula. You could have that overhang, and then you wouldn't really need a table. But more than adequate space to have a larger table too. You also have gas cooking. Dishwasher's over there. Cool. Well, look at that. So I'll back you out. Floors continue. All in this area. Awesome. Up we go. And let's see the upstairs. All right, so attic access right there. Looks like maybe a whole house fan too. I'll verify. Look at this bathroom. So you can count the tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basically 9 feet before you hit the tub. It's a double sink. Wow, that's a big bathroom. Really big. So that is nice. And it looks like there's a linen closet behind there. Okay, so this is officially bedroom number 1. Looks like the same or no, similar floors as downstairs. There's your closet. All right, so bedroom number 1, 2, and 3 up here. So here's 2. All right, windows, and just to double check. Yep, newer windows up here. Vinyl, I believe. Double clasp. Here we are. Closet. Ceiling fan in this room too, if you missed it. Remember the attic access. Pull down. And then this should be the largest of the bedrooms. Oh, there's that door. So this just goes right through for easy access for the bathroom. So that's how they have that set up. So, not its own separate bathroom, but very easy access. Closet there. Looks like newer floor. Yep, all up here. Newer molding, paint. Looks great. So there we go. I think we covered everything. Let's bring you down. Wow. Very nice house indeed. All right. I'm actually going to give you a bonus. We're going to lock up and show you a little bit of the outside in the neighborhood. So, thanks, Jason. Great listing. And see if there's anything I missed. I don't think there is. Let's lock up. This one you just hit lock. And we're good. So you can see it walking out the front. In fact, I'm going to go this way to show you. Because you have a lot of space here. Wow. Big backyard and side yard. Take that in. So there we go. Corner lot. Improves the neighborhood. You see Gizzi. All right. Do a full 360. Feel like you're here. And I'll leave you right there.